Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this tasty pound cake. Now take a mixing bowl, add 4 egg which has a room temperature. Then add half cup of sugar and beat it for 3 to 4 minutes on low speed. Now add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons of oil. And now add 1/3 cup of milk. Again beat it for 1 minute. And add the dry ingredients. Add 1 cup of maida, 1 tablespoon of milk powder and sieve them. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder plus half teaspoon of baking soda. Add 5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and sieve them. Now beat it for 30 to 40 seconds. And then pour it in a greased mold. And then bake it for preheated oven at 160 degrees in 40 to 40. After 40 minutes, the cake is ready. And then wait for it to cool down. Then demold the cake and serve it. Bye guys, it was very delicious and yummy, and don't forget to like and subscribe.